Thank you to Dimapur 24/7 for coming and covering our project. I am very glad I, Mr. Sudeep Narayan Datta, President Dimapur Bongs, today we have taken the initiative to clean and maintain the road from Kalibari Durga Mandir Junction to Western. This is a drive we have taken up seeing the deplorable road condition in this area, and moreover our festive season has started. So in order to make the area clean and smooth for vehicles, we have taken this initiative. In future also, Dimapur Bongs, as we all know that Dimapur Bongs is there in any activity with regard to the society, and right from giving blood to the required patients to cleanliness to disaster management team. We have all the sectors and we are working for the society as far as possible to our capacity. I hope this project of Dimapur Bongs of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in collaboration with DMC will be a fruitful one, and we will enjoy a good and clean hygienic road and a good road condition. Thank you very much.
Not only for today's, but Bongs under the patronage of Dimapur Bengali Samaj, and they are working hard for the society in every aspect of life. Bongs are present everywhere in Dimapur Bengalis. So Bengalis as a whole, there are many branches like mainly the Bongs, Bengali Students Union, and many other organizations are jointly working together. And now all the youths, mainly they are engaged in this social work all around Dimapur. They are doing very good job, and I have full support and faith on them. I wish that in future also all our Bengali youths will work together for the development of Dimapur particularly and Nagaland as a whole. So we are living together with our Naga friends. We are coexisting. Bengalis are very simple, polite and honest. They are doing their best to clean the society also at the same time. I wish all the best. Thank you.
Good morning, and thank you very much for giving your precious time for Dimapur Bongs. Today this initiative is taken in collaboration with Dimapur Municipal Council. It's a cleanliness drive. Moi Nagamiste koi dibo. Itu drive tetu ami khan Dimapur Bongs aru DMC miligina road damage thakabi itu ke labeling kur dise aru culvert bi change kurubole ase ami khan dhalai hoi jaise culvert bi olop deri piche de culvert bi laga shuru hoi jabo aru ami khan itu misti muk phene do drainage block thakatu itu bi ami khan kiman tok pare iman tok itu khuli dise aru ekta motive itu ase ki puja time de ami khan manu beratu tahan smoothly berao paribo aru culvert missing thaka jagate accident নহবলে karone itu initiative Dimapur Bongs to loise aru ami bishi thankful ase sob organization ami khan expect kora to sob organization bi aise ami khan CNCCI chairman Dr. Khego Murubi ami khan logote aji witness kursi itu program aru Western Sumi ho president Sir Shikao Jimomi bi ami khan logote aji aigina program itu flag off kurise aru ami khan la DMC aji to ami khan la DMC la administrator to tai olop kam karne bart ase to ami khan la madam Dr. Sentenung nungla au tai ahigina ami khan la program itu shuru kurise aru ami khan la samaj laga president bi tai bi ahibo na parigina tai message dise ga olop bhal nai karne to tai karne ami prarthana koribo dada you get well soon aru organization to yate bishay ahigina ase sob organization to sate ami hanla etu team mes parabi matise to sob organization la naam bi na jane kintu yete Nehru Yuva Kendra they have also came voluntarily to join us, and we are really thankful to them. They are, they are also a part of Dimapur Bongs for today and for always, and we will keep working with them in the coming future also. And there is one more motive of doing this. The main motive is like we Dimapur Bongs wants to welcome our Mata Durga in our style, in Swasta. So in this cleanliness, we want to welcome our Durga Ma. So thank you very much and see you all, and Jai Bongs. Thank you.
Thank you, Dimapur Bongs and other leaders, those who have joined with us in this is a noble work. Dimapur Bongs is an organization and they are closely with us in DMC. In all respect, every now and then they used to respond to our short notice. আৰু আমি খান আজি লগা এইটো সোশ্যাল ৱৰ্ক প্ৰগ্ৰামটো ক্লিনলিনেছ ড্ৰাইভ এইটো স্বচ্ছ ভাৰত প্ৰগ্ৰাম যেতিয়াৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছে এইটো ডিমাপুৰ বংছটো আমি খান লগতে ডিএমচি লগতে কান্ধাতে কান্ধা মিলাই কেনে আমি খান যাই আছে নট অনলি ডিমাপুৰ দেয়াৰ আৰ মেনি আদাৰ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন তাইখান বি আমি খান লগতে কৰি আছে কিন্তু একদিন আমি খান লগা ডিএমচি লগা এইটো কামটো স্যানিটেশ্যন ৱৰ্ক ডিএমচি আমি এজ এ সুপাৰিনটেণ্ডেণ্ট আজি ইমান সাল মই almost my 33 years of service, I have seen what is the pathetical condition of our sweeper. They don't have holidays. Whole day and night. They used to wake up early in the morning while we are in deep sleep. They used to come out in the street and they start working. But we the people, we are very, very less sensitive. We the educated people, we never think how to keep our city unless it is each and every individual start managing solid waste. It is not possible for a particular department to address all these issues. So Bongs and many others organizations, they are some time to time they come forward for cleanliness drive. But at the same time, I would like to request the Bongs and each and everyone, in spite of working with us, they should make the people educate how to keep the city clean, how to keep your surrounding clean, so that garbage is not generated, waste is not generated, so easily we can manage. And this is the thing, and then it will be how it is our own city. Ami khan laga nije area, nije ghor to kimna ka safa koribo. Apni sabi, ami khan laga itu, ami khan awareness komti ase, ami khan to ki kore, ami khan itu safa nimite. সব ঘরতে সব ঘরতে আপনি চাব একটা মানুহ তো কোনোবা একটা আসল সাফা করে থাকাতো তাই তো খিচের খিচের কৰি কেনে হালা কৰি থাকিব কিন্তু একটা ফ্যামিলি মেম্বার তো একটা তো জুতা ইফিনি ফেলাব কোনোবা জায়গাতে কিবা পেপার ফেলাই দিব কোনোবা ওয়েস্ট ফেলাই দিব কিন্তু তাই তো ঝাড়ু মারি মারি কেনে হালা কৰি কেনে আকৌ জমা করব সেম ওয়ে আমি খান ডিএমসি টিভি টাইম দি কেনে আছে পাবলিক খানকে যে মর্নিং 6 AM আমি খান once we lift out designated place for a jab to safa kora pichote ek logote accumulated garbage after lifting up you will find people used to sleep late night and wake up also in late and after waking up what they do they are all the wastes they bring and they used to throw in that particular bed. It shows the DMC is not working, but blame ultimately comes to DMC that DMC is not working because you will find everywhere that some wastes are lying. But our more than 14 to 15 vehicles, 3 JCBs, about 100 sweepers are all over the town. We are day and night we are working. Our sweepers they were used to come early in the morning, means in the I think at 2 AM 3 AM they used to come. You will find them in the street they are doing while we are sleeping in deep. So my sincere request to each and every citizen, please follow the instruction of local body. You give your cooperation. Your cooperation, it will make us to our work easy, and at the same time we will be able to keep our city clean. And thank you Bong for your continuous support to us, and they are doing a wonderful job. And it is my sincere request to all Bong's member, if from your individual capacity, wherever you stay, please make the people awareness how to manage the solid waste. We have put some dustbin all over the cities. Please use the dustbin and also don't litter your area. This is my sincere request. Thank you everybody. Thank you media. You are for coverage, and we are DMC always for the services to the public, and we will be expecting your support and cooperation. Thank you.
আজি ইটোলা দিন ভাল কাৰণে গড কি বি থেংকস দে আছে আৰু ইয়াতে কি কয় ডিমাপুৰ বংছ খানব্ৰা কি প্ৰগ্ৰাম অৰ্গেনাইজ কৰিছে আমি বি ইয়াতে আহি কিনে এটেণ্ড কৰিব পাৰাৰ কাৰণে বেছি খুশি পাই আছে আৰু ইয়াতে কি কাম কৰি আছে ইয়াতে ইটো ইমান মানুহ জমা কৰি কিনা ডিমাপুৰ বংছ খান মেম্বাৰ্ছ খান জমা কৰি না এনেকা কাম ভাল কৰাটো দেখি কিনা আমি খান বি বেছি খুশি পাই আছে আৰু this is not the first time na itu Dimapur Bongs khanbra inika kam kura tu na ami khan hoi personally ahi kena tu inika attend tu kura nai but through media aru ki khande Dimapur Bongs khanbra ki kuri ase sob ami khan paper de media khan de dikhi kena ahi ase na aru tu le they've been doing a very great job aru bishi kam kuri kena aise takhan aru public karni bishi kam kurise aru not only idu sanitation laga site ti nohoi nulibi different types inika kurigina hiya laga bishi puri dikhigina aishe so we are very thankful to this Dimapur Bongs for what they are doing what they have done and what they are doing and hope in future also takan they'll do more for the people of Dimapur aro কি কৈ আছে তাহান ইটোলা কাম do ini ভাল কৰি কিনা one after another নতুন ventures kan bi lui kina jaili to ভাল ho iniga itubi kui dia ase aro in collaboration with DMC they've done many things so DMC do ile ami kan to logistic support ki dia ase na nolibi iniga korna in collaboration with the DMC bishi kam to kuri kina jaigana ase
First of all, I'd like to extend my appreciation to Dimapur Bong for taking up this initiative. It's really impressive and it's good that you're leading by example. And I believe Dimapur Bong is not just taking up such initiative, they are also one of the largest blood donors across the region. So once again, I would like to extend my appreciation to Dimapur Bongs and please keep it up and let just not be a one-time affair. Let it continue. At homes also, in schools also, everywhere we stay. Thank you so much.